Hello friends, today in this video I am going to tell you about a interesting topic. Today I am going to show you how to install Android Nougat 7.1 on your Windows PC as a primary OS. That is, if you power your laptop or desktop on, it will directly boot into Android Nougat. And you can use this software just normally and it will be very responsive to use. So let's see how to do this. And guys, before that, I am going to tell you that I have used this software on my PC for about 2 days, and it was just working fine. Though I could not able to install WhatsApp on this particular software, but other softwares were working perfectly. Even I have played Asphalt 8 just fine. So let's see how to do this. For this, you need two things. First, the Android package which you want to install, and second thing, that is need a USB pen drive, bootable pen drive creator. Here, this is the Rufus software. So let's see how to do this. Go to your Chrome to download this software. Type Rufus and go to this link. Here you can download the portable version of this software, and this is marked as Rufus 2.18 portable, and this software is very easy to use. Second thing is the Android 86 Nougat software, and this is the ISO package I have downloaded from xjdevelopers.com. I will be giving a link to download this software from this page. On this page, go to the download Android 7.1 Nougat based Android 86 rebuilt image. Here you will get the RPM structure, or you will get the ISO DIX image. You can download this from this website. Also, I have provided a link from my Google Drive storage. You can also download the software from this location. So let's see how to do this. First, open Rufus. And here, select your pen drive on which you want to install the or extract the software. Second, go to this option, create a bootable DIX using ISO image, and click here. Now you have to locate the place where the DIX image, ISO image has been kept. So here is the file and click to open. Now start to create a bootable pen drive. It will ask to write the software in ISO DIX image or DIX drive DIX image. You have to select the ISO image mode. Press OK. Your pen drive will be formatted, so back up your pen drive for your safety. So the DIX creation is almost now finished. Now you have to go to the next step. You have to have a obviously have to have a PC to install this software. I'm going to install this software on another PC. So this is my another PC on which I am going to install the software. Let's power it on. So here you have to go to the BIOS and you have to select the boot drive from which you want to boot your computer. Here you have to select the pen drive in which the Android has been extracted. Now select to boot. So guys, this is the primary boot screen. Here it is asking to create a live CD, run Android 8.6 without installation, or live CD debug mode, and install Android 86 to hard disk. So let's see what happens if I install it to hard disk. So coming in after some time to see another page. Here select a drive on which you have to install the software. I am selecting this drive. Press OK. Click do not format. You can skip this. You can also select yes. Now it is extracting the software to your PC. So it is now 96% or 97% complete. Now let's see what happens. So this is now syncing some data to hard disk. Let it allow to do this. Now I am here selecting run Android OS, and let's see what happens. So it is now restarting, and this is how the boot screen looks. As you can see, the Android is now booting. As you can see, the Android has now boot up, and here is the menu, and here you can open clock, or you can open Chrome. You can also make it in full screen mode. Here are the back buttons. Here is the home button. Also, you can have the Play Store here, and you can install tons of apps from this Play Store. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked it. Please like it if you have liked it, and also share it. Also subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. So guys, thank you.